Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by isolating power and taking control. First, cut power at the breaker or wall switch, then remove the remote batteries. This clears stray signals and protects you. Once done, manually operate the fan via the pull chain or wall control to verify the motor and wiring are functional. Make sure to visually inspect the remote and the fan receiver housing for corrosion, loose connections, or burned components. These clues tell you whether to replace a small part or open the receiver next. You now diagnose signals and the receiver. Use your phone camera to check for an IR blink when pressing remote buttons. For RF remotes, use a multimeter or replacement remote to confirm transmission. Once you confirm the remote works or not, remove the fan canopy and open the receiver box. Inspect solder joints and electrolytic capacitors for bulging or leakage and replace suspect parts. When replacing components or reconnecting, make sure to repair the remote per the manufacturer steps. Fresh batteries, you finish by reassembling and validating operation. Securely fasten the receiver away from metal housing to avoid interference, then restore power and test each speed and the reverse function while standing at different distances to check range. If the fan works intermittently, reopen and reflow any weak solder or swap in a known good remote or receiver module. If the motor hums or fails under load, replace the motor or the fan. This is the final step after everything else checks out. One key troubleshooting tip: try a spare remote first to isolate the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.